Good morning. Thank you for calling Vitek Restaurant. My name is Julia. How may I help you today?
Hi, I would like to book a table reservation.
I will be happy to assist you with your reservation. May I have your name, please?
Yes, my name is Mariel Manuel.
When you would like to book your reservation, Miss Manuel?
Tomorrow, February 14 at 8 p.m.
A table for how many persons, please?
A table for two.
Do you have any special requests?
None.
Since it's Valentine's Day tomorrow, we offer a special heart-shaped cake for only 200 pesos. Would you like to order one?
Yes, please reserve one cake for me.
May I have your contact number, please?
That's 0922-111-2222.
May I also have your address, please?
Yes, that's Nyugan Angat, Bulacan.
How would you like to settle your bill tomorrow, ma'am? Are you going to use check, or card, or cash?
I will pay in cash.
Alright, ma'am. Let me just verify if I got all the information correctly, ma'am. I have reserved a table for 2 tomorrow, February 13 at 7 p.m. in the evening. I also reserved one heart-shaped cake that costs 200 pesos. This reservation will be under your name, Miss Manuel. Your contact number is 0922-111-2222 and your address is Barangay Nyugan, Angat, Bulacan.
That's correct.
Is there anything else that I may assist you with?
That would be all. Thank you.